Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Still, BTC is sometime moving above $44,000. Sometime it is getting rejected. Now it is again rejected and moving below $44,000. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move, and I also want to share some long-term analysis with you as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this daily time frame. And in my last video, we were watching that there is an inverse head and shoulder pattern formation on this daily time frame. Here we have the left shoulder, here we have the head, and this is the right shoulder of this pattern. And here we have the neckline at $44,000. By the way, after these few more spikes, we can consider this neckline at $44,500 because we have so many touch points here. And previously this level has been breaking as a support here as well. So we need to keep an eye on $44,500. Now, for example, if the price line breaks it out, then definitely as per the head and shoulder pattern, our target can be, if I place this trend line here, approximately at $61,000. However, the final target for this down channel that we have already broken out on this daily time frame chart is the top of this channel that will be approximately at $68,000. And you can see, if we take a look at the oscillator RSI, then there is no hidden bearish divergence or the bearish divergence on the chart. The price line formed another higher than previous high. RSI also formed another higher than previous high, and we are also forming higher lows and higher highs as well. So it's a good thing that we are not having any hidden bullish bearish divergence or bearish divergence on this chart, but still moving under this resistance of $44,500. That is also the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern as well. But we are also having very nice support of the EMA 10 and 21, and both moving averages have formed a bull cross, and we have received this bull cross, by the way, after October, 3rd of October. The last bull cross was received here, and we had a nice rally. Then we received a death cross or bear cross between these two moving averages, and we had this rally to the downside, and just we have received this bull cross on 8th of Feb. Therefore, now these two moving averages can work as a nice support for the price line. Now let's take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and here we need to look at the support of $42,000. That is really very important support. When we had this rally, we were rejected by $42,000, and it can now work as a key support for the price line, and we need to hold this support. Right now we are above this support, and you can see we were rejected here, and we were rejected once again here on 14th of June on this weekly candlestick. We again used this level as a support here in September 2021 and in November 2021 as well. Right now, we have just broken it out, and we are above this $42,000 support. So this is really very important. But the more important thing that I want to show you is that if we want this EMA 21 on the weekly time frame chart, we are under this EMA 21 that is working as a strong resistance for the price line. And we have recently rejected here on the candlestick that was started on 7th of Feb on the weekly time frame. Now, if we switch to the monthly time frame, then we are having a very nice support of EMA 21 on the monthly time frame. Now, if we take a look at the previous history of EMA 21, then back here, when we tested this support here, we first rallied after testing back in April 2014, and then after a short rally, we broke it down. Then again, we tested it here. In June 2018, we had a short rally, but again, we broke it down. And again, we tested this support here. In December 2019, we had a short rally, and in March 2020, we did not break it down, but we had a long spike to the downside. This time, we moved very close to this EMA 21 in June 2021, especially on this next candlestick that was dropped up to 29,200, and you can see the value of, you can watch the value of EMA 21 here. The value of EMA 21 was $27,369. So we did not touch it, but we moved very close, and we had a short rally. And here again, like back in March 2020, we had a very long spike even beyond this EMA 21. You can watch the value of EMA 21 was $36,622, and we moved down to $32,950 and recovered back. So it is possible that we are going through a third phase in which we start a big rally towards the upside, like back here in November 2019. We tested, then we again had a short rally. We again had another long spike to the downside, and in third phase we had a very long rally. And here we did not touch, but we almost tested, went very close to this EMA 21. Then we had a short rally. We again had a long spike like we had here beyond this EMA 21, and then we are going to start in next rally towards the upside. And if we take a look at the oscillator on this monthly time frame, then we can see previously we had a very big bearish divergence when the price line was forming another higher than previous high, and the RSI was failed in doing so. You can see here we had another higher than previous high, but oscillator was not doing that. That was forming a lower high than previous high. But this bearish divergence has already played its role, and now if we take a look at the recent trend, then price line has formed another higher low than previous low, and if we take a look at the oscillator, then it is forming another lower than previous low. So there is a very big hidden bullish divergence on this monthly time frame chart, and in my opinion, the bearish divergence has already played its role, and now it's time or it's turn for the hidden bullish divergence to start its role. And I'm expecting that after testing this EMA 21 on the monthly time frame, we can start a big rally from here. And as we have already broken out a very big channel, and it is also favoring this situation, and we may break out the final resistance. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.